Ever walk into a cafe and see a cortado on the menu, but wonder what it is? Translated from Spanish, cortado means cut. In short, cortado is a beverage that is best described as a variation of an espresso that's cut by a balanced quantity of steamed milk. The cortado is typically comprised of a couple ounces of milk and espresso, deviating from your average coffee shop drink by only coming in smaller sizes without any added flavors or sugars. But how is cortado different from a latte or a macchiato? While each of these drinks contains roughly the same amount of espresso, they differ by the quantity of milk added. Conventionally, macchiatos don't contain quite as much milk as a cortado. Conversely, lattes contain much more milk with a textured foam milk top. In contrast, the cortado uses no foam, allowing the milk and espresso integrate with each other fully. The next time you walk into a cafe, consider trying a cortado. It offers the right amount of caffeine to wake you up, and, best of all, a simple, soothing, rich flavor. For more coffee recipes, recommendations, and brewing techniques, visit our blog at jrcoffee.com.